Oh wait, oh no, my camera is dying. Wait, no. Hello everyone, welcome back. So again, in today's video, I'm very excited, really excited. I want to share with you my first Ipsy box that I got yesterday. So finally I did film today so that we can try it on and show you all the items that I got for this box. So if you want to know what items that I got for this box, and also we're gonna try it on for today's video, so keep on watching. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I like the color, it's pink, kind of like match my background for today's video. So this is what it look like, guys. My Ipsy, my very first Ipsy box. So look at that orange. So this is what it look like inside. That, and the box is kind of like the same, and they have this letters, discover yourselves. So I'm gonna go ahead start with the first item that we have on this box. So we got 3 masks. This is what's look like, guys, the mask. They have kale and beet plus vitamin E fresh sheet mask, and the third is ginger plus vitamin fresh press sheet mask. So this is what's look like, guys. They're really pretty mask, really pretty. And then the second product is this full cute pouch. I don't know, is it like purple pouch? And this is what's look like inside the pouch. So you can put oh, this is useless. I can put some of my little skincare on this pouch. And the third items that we got in the box is this Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So this is what's look like, the foundation. I'm excited about this foundation. I'm really excited. So by the way, guys, I'm not feeling good today. I feel sick when I wake up in the morning. My throat is sore, so but I'm still trying to film silly. So this is the third product. It is Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So this is we're gonna try on for today's video. I am excited. Not sure if the shade is matches my skin tone, but we'll see what's gonna look like for our face. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to our face, and we'll see what's gonna look like to our face. This is really nice. It comes with the I don't know how do you call this. Comes with the applicator. So it comes with the applicator. So this is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my face. We'll see what's gonna look like to our face. Oh, look at that shade. Yes, this is the shade. When I start, oh my god, that scared me. So I definitely it's hard to, we'll see. It's gonna you know what, I'm just gonna apply it all over my face. See, okay, that's good enough. I like the applicator. I like the foundation that comes with the applicator. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. Okay, so okay, I have to stop because what do you call it, my battery, it's empty. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to my face. We'll see how it's look like, this foundation. I love this brand. Actually, I do have a couple skincare that is exactly the same, this brand, the Wonder Beauty, and I love their skincare. They're really good product. So alright, guys, we're gonna start blending it. Oh no, the color, it doesn't, I don't know, it matches my skin tone. By the way, guys, the shade is medium. So that's what it look like to our face. We'll see. I don't know about the color though. That's what it look like I don't know. We'll see how it look like after applying it to our face. So There you go. And the other side. So I don't know, it's hard to tell if we cannot go outside because it is night time here in States. So I don't know how it's look like during daytime because it's actually it's not too bad. That is not really bad. It look like my skin tone. So yeah, not too bad. So this is what it look like, guys. I kind of like the color. So what color is this? Medium. The color is medium. I like it. It's not really, oh, it's not sticky at all, and it's look like very light coverage onto my face. So I'm really excited about this foundation. So definitely I'm gonna play more of this. Let's see how it's gonna be to our skin. Yeah, so it's a good size though. How many ml is this? I don't know, but it's a big size for foundation. So alright, I'm back. I just have to do my eyebrows and my eye makeup off the camera. So next items that I'm really excited about is this so this is what it looks like, guys. Liquid eyeliner. I am really excited about this liquid eyeliner. This is what it looks like. I love liquid eyeliner. That's why I'm really excited about this box. The name of the liquid eyeliner is El Makiage, made in Germany. So I'm excited. I love liquid eyeliner. So I do love. So we're gonna try it onto our face. Oh, the tip is like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my eyelid. Hopefully it's waterproof. It doesn't say is it waterproof or not, because kind of scared if not waterproof at all. So this is what it look like. Ooh, I like that. So okay, done with the next. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Okay, done with the liquid eyeliner. Let's move on to the next items that we got for this Ipsy bag. So I'm really excited about this Soul Bit liquid lipstick. So this is the Soul Bit lipstick and Touch in Soul. I know this brand. I have a couple brand of these from Baxi Charm. So this is what's look like, guys. Really pretty packaging like that. And then let's open it. What's look like the packaging. Ooh, really pretty packaging. So this is what's look like, guys. Nice packaging. When you open it, actually nice shade. So this is what's look like, guys, with the lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it to our hands. We'll see what does it look like to color. So that's the color. So oh, it's kind of like pink, it matches my background. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to I don't know how to apply something like this lipstick. I do prepare with a lipstick with applicator. Smells so good. It smells like flower. It smells so good. I really don't know how to apply something like this lipstick though. I'm having trouble. Because I do have a couple of these that I never use it because I don't know how to apply without no applicator. It's really soft to the lips. It's really soft. So it's really soft to the lips. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix my lips a little bit because I kind of like mess it up because I don't know how to apply this kind of lipstick. I always use the lipstick with applicator. So I think that's good enough. The lipstick is so soft when you apply it to your lips. Okay, so the last item that I got for this box is the Burad Environmental Shield Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So it brightens and helps shield the skin from environment aggressors. So this is the moisturizer. This is what it looks like, guys. The moisturizer. And I'm excited. I forgot to try it on first. Sorry, I didn't. I kind of like get excited about the foundation. So this is what's look like, guys. The moisturizer, day moisturizer. So this is what's look like. So I'm excited about this moisturizer because I kind of like I'm almost out of my moisturizer that I'm using. So this is the good thing that I have a new moisturizer to use in the morning. So it says day moisturizer. So I'm excited about this one. Okay, done with try on some of the items that I got for this Ipsy box. So the foundation, actually it's matched onto my skin tone. And I'm really excited about this to play more of this foundation. And I like how they have the applicator on it so that it's easier to apply it into your face. So I'm excited about this, really excited to use this. I'm gonna use it maybe tomorrow. We'll see how it's look like on the daylight because I cannot see what's going on right now. And the lipstick, I don't know how to use this kind of lipstick. I prepare with a lipstick with applicator, but when I start applying it to my face, to my lips, it's really soft lipstick. So kind of have those moisturizer on it. So I'm excited to play with this so that I can learn how to apply kind of this lipstick. And then next is the liquid eyeliner. I do love liquid eyeliner, so I'm really excited to play with this too. The only thing I noticed, it's kind of dry. It's hard to apply it to your wing liner. That's all I noticed about this, but I do love liquid eyeliner, so I'm happy that I got this, and I'm just gonna play with it, how it's gonna work for me. And this one, I'm really excited about this 3 sheet mask. I really love skincare, especially in especially when it comes to the mask. I really love masks, so I'm really excited to use this mask probably tonight before I'm gonna go to bed, and I'm gonna try one of these masks that I got for this box. And this one is cute too, a little pouch to put something, small things in your bag, like I don't know, maybe small makeup that fit in this little pouch that I got for today's box. And as well, I'm really excited about this foundation, day foundation. So that's it for today's Ipsy box. This is my first Ipsy box, and I impressed already because everything I got for this box is, I love it. I love this lipstick, I love the foundation. I'm really excited about this foundation, and also this liquid eyeliner. I do love liquid eyeliner, and also the day moisturizer as well. And also, oh, I love skincare. And also this one, I really excited to use this sheet mask. So that's it for today's Ipsy box unboxing and try on. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and hope I will see you on my next video or unboxing or makeup tutorial. So bye everyone, bye.